The festival industry's appeal and the number of new events entering the USA have grown exponentially, and each year they get larger and better. From weekend camping trips to dusk till dawn mega parties and small boutique festivals, there's something for everyone. Hello everyone, and welcome to a brand new video on the channel. Today we are going to talk about the 20 best music festivals. Before we get started with the video, don't forget to smash the like button, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get started. Number 20. Lollapalooza. Lollapalooza is a well-known Chicago festival that has taken the world by storm. It is now a well-known and trustworthy brand in many countries and continents. However, Chicago will always be its actual home. Number 19. Austin City Limits Festival. Austin City Limits Festival, or ACL Festival, is another fantastic multi-genre mega festival held in a large field area just outside Austin. ACL features a wide range of genres and participants, from older music fans who bring lawn chairs to younger electronic music fans who don't sit all day. Number 18. Buku Music and Art Project. Buku Music and Art Project is a relatively new festival in New Orleans. It is centered on both art and music, resulting in what is known as Buculture. It strives to be a cross between a warehouse party and an art festival, celebrating New Orleans' unique culture. Number 17. Electric Forest. Electric Forest is a fantastic rave-style electronic festival happening in Michigan's forests. Colorful lights illuminate art and hidden stages in the trees, creating a fantastic atmosphere at this bucket list music festival. Number 16. Electric Daisy Carnival. EDC is the archetypal rave. It's one of the most well-known music events in North America, hosting every type of electronic music imaginable. Every year, Electric Daisy Carnival will host the complete spectrum of electronic music, with the industry's top artists returning year after year. Number 15. Lightning in a Bottle Festival. Lightning in a Bottle has quickly ascended to the forefront of North America's revolutionary festival scene. LIB features 3 main stages that feature techno, bass, and other types of electronic music, as well as an equal number of incredible workshops, speakers, yoga, and meditation to round out the experience. It's a fantastic camping festival right before summer. Number 14. Hangout Festival. Hangout Music Festival is a 3-day beach festival that includes beach clubs, ocean swimming, sailing adventures, roller discos, free yoga, beach volleyball, a puppy kissing station, Ferris wheel views, gorgeous art pieces, and much more. While Alabama may not be the first area that comes to mind when thinking of a destination festival. Number 13. Ultra Music Festival. Ultra, another global music festival brand founded in the United States, is still headquartered on the shores of Miami, Florida. UF that is held in Bayfront Park, which is located just across the bridge from South Beach and near downtown Miami. Ultra Music Festival concludes the well-known Miami Music Week, which hosts a slew of well-known electronic musicians each March over Spring Break Week. Number 12. Governor's Ball. Governor's Ball is one of New York City's most prestigious celebrations. It is located in a park near Upper Manhattan, giving it the most incredible backdrop of the NYC skyline and making it very well connected to nearby accommodations. Number 11. Burning Man. Although Burning Man is not a festival, I couldn't leave it off my list of the finest music festivals in North America because it is such an incredible event. Burning Man is founded on the 10 Burning Man principles and is a completely unique event built on a gifting economy with no money exchange. Number 10. Voodoo Music Plus Arts Experience. Voodoo is another New Orleans music festival that takes place over Halloween weekend. And of course, you are required to dress up. You can dress up in a different costume each day of the festival and celebrate Halloween like never before. Number 9. Igloo Fest. Igloo Fest may be one of the coldest music events ever, which is one of the reasons it's so wonderful. It's a terrific spot to bundle up and dance yourself warm during the coldest portion of the year in one of the coldest places on the planet, Montreal, Canada. Number 8. Shamala Music Festival. Shamala is one of the best transforming music festivals in North America, and it is at the very top of my own music festival bucket list. Shams, as participants affectionately refer to it, have earned a tremendous reputation across the world and have a committed tribe of people who go every year. Number 7. Contact Festival. Contact Festival is a massive indoor festival held at the end of each year in the western city of Vancouver, Canada, in a large stadium. It's the ideal place to burn off all those Christmas calories while listening to a variety of EDM, bass, and house DJs on 2 stages. Number 6. Chasing Summer. Chasing Summer takes place in Calgary throughout the summer. This festival kicks off the last month of summer with a daytime event featuring tons of different dance music performers and DJs, as well as official after parties. Number 5. Escapade Music Festival. Escapade is one of Canada's largest EDM music festivals. It takes place in an open-air park near the summer solstice, creating the ideal environment for a summer party. Escapade includes a plethora of food and drink options, as well as a strong emphasis on music. Number 4. Vel Music Festival. The Vel Music Festival is one of Toronto's largest summer music festivals. It appears that every Canadian province has one. It has incredible production value and several well-known names from the electronic and hip-hop genres. Number 3. Bonaroo. Since its start in 2002, Bonaroo has grown to become one of the most well-known music festivals in North America. It's a large-scale festival that takes pleasure in having an all-around experience for the Bonaroovians who attend each year, with a variety of supplementary activities, fun-filled campgrounds, and more. Number 2. Outside Lands. Every year in August, Outside Lands takes place in San Francisco's Golden Gate Park. But don't be fooled by the month of August. It's not the Pacific end of Golden Gate Park, which brings fog, and more fog. It's the authentic SF experience. Number 1. Coachella. Coachella offers a diverse lineup of headliners, including Tame Impala, Kanye West, Radiohead, Stephen Bodzin, and Closey Billie Eilish. The main stages feature the most mainstream or well-known bands, and each following tented stage features a different type of music. That's the end of the video. I hope you liked it. If you did, let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.